In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a single issue in Jira. If you're looking to declutter your project management and focus on what's currently in progress, archiving issues is a fantastic way to achieve that. So let's dive in and take you through the steps to effectively archive an issue within Jira, ensuring your workspace remains organized and efficient. To get started, open up your favorite web browser. While Chrome is a popular choice, feel free to use whichever browser you prefer. Once your browser is up and running, head over to the Jira website and log in using your credentials. If this is your first time logging in, make sure to have your account information handy because you'll need this to access your projects. After you successfully log in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for managing all your projects and tasks in Jira. Now that you're logged in, it's time to locate the specific issue you'd like to archive. Consider which project the issue belongs to and use Jira's intuitive navigation tools to navigate to the appropriate project space. Once you're in the right project, you can scroll through your list of issues. If you prefer a faster approach, take advantage of the search feature to pinpoint the exact ticket you want to archive. Click on the issue, and this will take you to a detailed view of the task, where all pertinent information is displayed. With the issue open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll notice the More menu, which is easily identified by a three-dot icon, also known as an ellipsis. This menu contains additional options for managing your issue. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu where various actions are listed. In this expanded menu, you'll want to look for the Archive option. Selecting this option is a crucial step because it moves your issue away from your active board, securely storing it in an archive section. It's important to note that archiving an issue does not delete it. Instead, it preserves the issue in an archive state, allowing it to be retrieved later if needed. After clicking Archive, you might receive a prompt asking you to confirm your decision to archive the ticket. This confirmation step is Jira's way of making sure you truly want to proceed, as this action cannot easily be reversed within the user interface. Simply click the Confirm button to finalize your choice. And there you have it. You've successfully archived a single issue in Jira. By following these clear and straightforward steps, you can keep your project boards neat and focused on the current tasks at hand with the assurance that archived issues are securely stored. Keep this method in mind next time you need to manage your workload effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on mastering Jira and other productivity